Ready to see the tree fall? Carly's dad cut it down. Watch and learn. Wow. No, he's talking us to back up. Look how big it is. Wow, it looks like a gigantic spider. Look at that. It's all over the place. Look at that tree branch hanging right there. It's funny. Wow, that's a huge earthquake.